IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Is recycling common in your country? Band 5. Answer.
I think recycling is a little common in my country, but not everyone does it. Some people try to separate things, but many people just throw everything in one bin. I guess it depends on where you live.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence, basic ideas, some hesitation, simple structure. Lexical resource, everyday vocabulary, limited range. Grammar, simple sentences with occasional mistakes. Pronunciation, mostly clear but may have unclear words. Typical of Band 5. Communicates simple ideas but with limited detail and range. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, recycling is fairly common where I live, although the level of commitment varies. In many areas, people have separate bins for paper, plastic, and glass, but some households ignore the system because they find it inconvenient. Overall, I'd say it's improving, but there's still room for progress.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth flow, clear development. Lexical resource, good range, commitment, households inconvenient. Grammar, mostly accurate and well-structured. Pronunciation, clear and natural. Typical of Band 7.5, strong control of language with good detail and precision. Band 9 Answer.
Yes, recycling is widely practiced, especially in urban areas where organized collection systems are in place. Most households sort their waste into different categories, and public awareness campaigns have made people more conscious about reducing waste. While participation isn't perfect, the overall attitude is highly positive and continues to improve.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless, cohesive, and fully developed. Lexical resource, sophisticated but natural vocabulary, organized collection systems, public awareness campaigns. Grammar, error-free with complex structures. Pronunciation, clear, natural, and precise. Typical of Band 9, fully flexible, natural, rich, and accurate language use. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.